Aprimatic presents MiniNote Plus, the video door phone kit comprising a Micro entry panel, elegant and modern thanks to a clean design and the Zamac body, and the CX MODO 7-inch touchscreen. The kit is simple to install and use, and also includes home automation functions thanks to the integration with Yokis technology. Did someone call at the door? To start a conversation, touch the relevant icon. You can access the menu by pressing on the plus button at the top right and activate all advanced functions, from manual storage to Yokis home automation functions. Let us start with the latter. Thanks to the integration with Yokis home automation, the MiniNote Plus kit can manage indoor and outdoor lighting, shutters, automatic gate, and timing out, as well as some other functions such as garden irrigation. All the above functions may be integrated to manage scenarios that may be activated either manually or automatically. The video door phone contains a Yokis built-in transmitter module that connects directly with the receiving modules in the electrical system. During a video door phone call, the system automatically saves the camera images after 2 seconds from the beginning of the conversation. A dedicated touch button allows you to save some screenshots manually. Do you want to check who's at your door? With a simple touch, you can access the image memory and browse through all the stored images. The screen memory is quite extensive and can store up to 100 images. Do you need to put several parts of your home in contact with each other? The intercom function allows you to connect another 3 video door phones in the same house and have them interact individually or establish a connection with another apartment nearby. During a conversation with an outdoor station, you may mute the microphone and speak freely without being heard on the other end. The person at the other end of the line will not hear what you're saying. At any time, you can view the images shot by the external entry panel camera without activating lighting or phone transmission. Thus, you'll use the video door phone to safely and discreetly observe what's happening outside of your home. Advanced door phones, home automation and video surveillance, all in a kit ensuring value for money, manufactured by Aprimatic, a world leader in the fields of communication and home automation. This is the MiniNote Plus kit. Contact your Aprimatic distributor now for more details.